Getting Started with MSP, a beginner's guide to the medical service plan. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Medical Services Plan or MSP in the province of British Columbia. Number 1. Understand eligibility requirements. Before applying, make sure you meet the eligibility criteria for MSP coverage. Generally, you must be a resident of British Columbia and physically present in the province for at least 6 months in a calendar year. Number 2. Gather required documents. Ensure you have the necessary documents ready for the application process. This typically includes proof of residency, such as a driver's license or utility bill, and documentation confirming your lawful status in Canada, such as birth certificate, passport, or immigration documents. Number 3. Access the application form. Obtain the MSP application form. You can download it from the BC government's website or obtain a paper copy from a service BC office. Number 4. Complete the application form. Fill out the application form accurately and completely. Provide all the required information, including personal details, residency status, and any relevant supporting documentation. Number 5. Submit the application. Once the application form is completed, you can submit it along with any necessary documents. There are different submission methods available. Online. If you prefer, you can submit your application online through the BC government's website in person. You can also submit the application and documents in person at the Service BC office. By mail, if you choose to mail your application, ensure you send it to the appropriate address indicated on the application form. Number 6. Wait for processing. After submitting your application, allow some time for it to be processed. Processing time may vary, but you can typically expect to receive a response within a few weeks. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 7. Receive confirmation and MSP card. Once your application is approved, you will receive confirmation of your MSP coverage. This may include an MSP card, which you should carry with you at all times and present when accessing medical services. Number 8. Maintain MSP coverage. Ensure you continue to meet the eligibility criteria for MSP coverage to maintain your benefits. Notify MSP of any changes in your circumstances, such as changes in residency or immigration status. Number 9. Renew your coverage annually. MSP coverage needs to be renewed annually. You'll receive a renewal notice prompting you to confirm your eligibility and update any necessary information. Number 10. Seek assistance if needed. If you encounter any difficulties during the application process or have questions about MSP coverage, do not hesitate to contact MSP or visit a Service BC office for assistance. By following the steps, you can successfully apply for MSP coverage in the province of British Columbia and ensure access to essential medical services. Don't miss out on future content. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us.